Hakuna jambo ngeni tutakuja kuongea ambalo halikuzungumziwa. Ruto has been a disaster from day one. He was a disaster even when he was in Bunge. Myself and others impeached him for stealing maize huko mbele, when he was just a minister. Kwa hivyo hii si jambo ngeni. Hii unaona akifanya kinyama kwa Gachagua. The guy is of that nature. Na jamani wa Kenya, bado. This is hii ni kiojo tu. You are dealing with a person who has some animal instincts. Na he has no feelings for you. Mutarukaruka hapa, mrukaruke, mwende kotini, atoke mwichoe utaona Kidiki, deputy president. We as Kenyans must decide na kauli moja ya kwamba enough is enough. Huyu mtu tunacheza all the things ambazo mnasema mother when he was a deputy running for with Raila. Haya mambo yote yalizungumzwa aliyasema. This guy never voted for this constitution. Why do you expect him to follow it? He led the church to say no to the constitution. He led the church to bring me maneno ya tanga bali tuko nayo sasa. Some of the individuals, and I really support the issue of not breaking the law when you want to do what you want. Hii mambo ya Gachagua vile Ruto anaiongoza ni kinyama. It is wrong and it must be opposed. Kama unataka kumtoa, mtoe kwa njia inayofaa. Kwa sababu ukifanya hivyo, unajua mmesahau juzi. 3 weeks ago tulikuwa pale chini Davivi, tumeongozwa na mama. Amenyakua chamba ya watu. Ruto amenyakua chamba ya more than 4,000 families. Imerudishwa na court the other day. Hata tulikuwa na demo jibu. So tunaweza anza kufikiria kwamba ni something easy. We need to form a new government, but we need to be very serious. Why was I saying singling out these young people here? They decided they have young families, come and demo, but they refused to be influenced by money. Walikataa kupatiwa pesa waende wakafanyie Ruto kazi. If we cannot have that kind of quality in our leaders, tutakuwa na kina Mutuse hapa. Tutajaza Tugeges, the ones that we have from the mountain. I know here kuna Mutuse, kule tu kuna Tugege. But until we make up our minds, kwa sababu hii si kitu ambayo imekuja kwa accident. It's not accidental. We have messed the country knowing. We said Ruto will help people steal. Wengine wakatuambia afadhali mwizi ambaye anatuletea nyumbani. Now look at what he is doing. Amewaletea airport. Na amebeba. Amewaletea health. Chief made NHIF. So while we are talking about where we want to go, for some of us we are very bitter. I will start with Gachagua to the end. But I want to tell you here, Gachagua led us to where we are. And some of us are also not very happy. He led the team that took us to Ruto. Na matusi ambayo ilifanya kule mlima tukose heshima kwa kila mtu. And we need to learn as leaders. These are not the things we want to do going forward. If we get another team like those ones, we will still get in a mess. So while we are saying that we want Ruto and team to go home, we are also saying hopeless leaders. Mtu ambaye anapatiwa pesa unaenda kuyapa pale kama Mutuse, we also don't want them. Otherwise the country will not move forward. It must be a total overhaul. It must be total overhaul. And as we look at you, Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka, and Mother is also here. Wamarwa is here. We are all here. Look at us also. Usibebe tu for the purpose of winning that tuweke tu pale. We will have another parliament that is useless.